What is up YouTube, Nick from TutorialTellers, and today I'll be showing you guys how to get the best audio quality in Audacity. So recently Audacity had an update and they got rid of a few effects. So I'm making this video to kind of update you guys because all the other ones that are out there are all outdated and they don't have the same effects, so it's pretty useless. So right here I have my sample audio of what we're going to be editing, and then right here is a duplicate of what I already made. So I'm going to go ahead and mute this and I'm going to go ahead and play it and show you guys what it sounds like of the before, the raw footage, nothing done to it, and then right here is going to be the after. So I'm going to go ahead and play it from the start. What is up YouTube, Nick from TutorialTellers, and today I'll be showing you guys how to get better audio in Audacity. So there you have it. That's the before with nothing done to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and mute this one and unmute this one, and we're going to be working on this one right here. So before you record your audio, you want to make sure that your project rate is at 48K. By default, it should be at 44. Once you've changed your project rate and you're ready to record your audio, before you start your recording, you want to make sure that you're at least recording up to 4 seconds of silence, and that is because you want to make sure that there's no audio right here so you can remove the background noise to all of your commentaries or whatever you're doing. So once you've recorded your commentary or whatever and you have your silence, you want to go ahead and highlight your silence and go to effect. Once on effect, you want to go to noise reduction. After noise reduction, you want to click on get noise profile, and after you've done that, go ahead and highlight the whole clip and go back to effect, and at the top you should see repeat noise reduction. So go ahead and click on that or Control and R, and it should remove all of the background noise. So after you've removed the background noise, go ahead and make sure your clip is highlighted, and then you want to go to change pitch. Now once you clicked on change pitch, it should look like this. Now this all depends on how deep or high pitched your voice is. So the negatives makes it deeper, and then the positive obviously makes it more high pitched. So around 5 is what I like for me, so I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. After you figure out your pitch, you want to go back to effect and then click on filter curve. Now filter curve used to be equalization, but they removed that and now it's just only filter curve. So now once you're on filter curve, it should look like this. Once again, this all depends on your voice, but between 3 and 6 is usually good, but if you want more bass in your voice, go ahead and up it. So I find me between 9 and 6 is the best. It should look like this by default. You should have these 2 elbow points, and you want to add some more elbow points. So around 4K hertz, you want to go ahead and create a new elbow point. So just go ahead and click on it, and you want to make sure that it's like flush and even like this and not like this and all uneven. And then after you clicked on the 4K, you want to go to the next one right here on the graph and click on it right here, and then you want to bring it up to whatever you put this one to, and then click on OK. After you change the filter curve, you want to go back to effect and then click on compressor. Once on compressor, it should look like this, and you want to make sure the threshold is between -18 and 14. Find what's best for you and then click on OK. So once you compressed it, you want to go back to effect and then go to limiter, and then you want to make sure that you're clicking on hard limit and make sure that it's at -4. Everything else should be default, and then click on OK, and then it should make it all flush and even. You see how it's all up and down, and then this one is all flush, so it will sound a whole lot better. Once you put your hard limiter on, you want to go back to effect and then click on normalize. Now this is all default, so you can go ahead and click on OK, and it should bring it up a lot more. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.